Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video is a quick tutorial on how to remove copyright claim on your YouTube videos that made it become partially blocked in some other countries or region. You'll see in the status of your video if there's a copyright claim by going to your YouTube studio, then content, then here. I have this problem with one of my videos. Let's go find it. Here. Yeah, so as you can see, it appears like this. Aside from YouTube direct notification, you will also receive an email with details about the copyright claim. Okay? If we click on this view details button, it will direct us to this page. Okay, copyright claim, unlike copyright strike, won't affect our channel. And here's the status. As you can see, partially blocked and is ineligible for monetization, but not a problem for me now because my channel is not monetized yet. Next is to keep in mind of the part of the video where the copyright content found in this video. It's during 3:15 to 3:58. Hover to the select action drop down button to choose whether to trim the video, replace the song, mute, or file a dispute, but only if you have the rights to the content. In this video, I decided to better mute from 3:15 to 3:58 and check the part that is safe naman. Click mute song only, then click continue. Oops, we have to read din muna pala. Understand, then tsaka natin i-click mute to confirm. And that's it. YouTube is now processing your video. How long does it take? Well, in this case, it only took some minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes, let's check the video now if it's muted from 3:15 to 3:58. Okay. So yes, it's muted. Wala na yung sound ng video. So now what are we going to do is to check yung mismong video kung nag-change na rin yung status niya. Okay, so see, it's muted now and the status also changed from partially blocked to public, meaning visible na siya worldwide. We know naman wider audience, more chances of getting more views, and also wala na din yung copyright claim. So kung kanina mayroong restriction, ngayon ito na. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.